Hi there, this is Ranjit and I have this Realme 2 smartphone, and in this video we'll be doing the gaming review and see how well it does in gaming. And this one comes with the Snapdragon 450 SoC, and many people are complaining that it's not a good processor. So let's see how good it is and let's do some heavy gaming. So we'll be playing these games. Let's start with Modern Combat 5, then we'll go to Asphalt Extreme, then we'll also play PUBG a little bit. I don't know how to play PUBG, but I'll show you some footage. And finally, we'll play the new Asphalt 9 also. So let's check this. Let's start with Modern Combat 5. So this is Modern Combat 5 FPS game, and let's see how it handles this one. And one thing I noticed is that the speaker is actually pretty loud, but it's here. So if you hold it very tight, as you can see, you can completely block it out. So that is something that you have to note. So far so good, not noticing lagginess in this one. Let's see. So it's running this game actually fine, as you can see. So let's do one thing, guys. It's playing this game fine. Let me actually move to some other heavier games now. So let's get out of this one, and now let's just move to for example, Asphalt Extreme. So this is Asphalt Extreme, and let's see how it plays this one. And I'm using the on-screen steering. So far so good. But if you hold it tight, as you can see, you can actually block the speaker. So that is something that you have to be careful. Let me lower the volume actually a little bit, guys. So as you can see, in terms of gameplay, having no issues, able to play this game fine without any lag. So that's actually a nice thing. Again, as you can see, no issues playing this game, and we are noticing no lag. So it's actually a good thing. As you can see, the car is in complete control. So you'll have actually a very good time playing this game. So as you can see, it played fine. So it plays even Asphalt Extreme fine. So let's get out of this one. Let me quickly try PUBG, guys. I don't know how to play PUBG, but I'll just show you some footage. And it opens this when you play games and optimize it for actually games. This is the default launcher that it does. It takes a while to load the PUBG, so let it load and then I'll continue. So guys, this is PUBG, and as you can see, this is what it is. And by default, the graphics settings for PUBG were automatically set to low on this device. So that's what it is. And guys, frankly speaking, I don't know how to play this game. Let's just do this. Let's just go down. So yeah, this is PUBG, as you can see. Actually, it's playing fairly well. No issues. Another thing to notice that it's been almost 12 minutes since we started this gaming session, and I simply do not feel the handset to get hot. Generally with gaming, handsets get pretty hot. It's just slightly warm, not very hot. We will look at the temperatures later on. So yeah, that's what it is. I see a house over there. Let me just try to go there. So as you can see, this is PUBG. At least on the default setting, as you can see, no lag. I'm not noticing any lag. Let's try to go over there and see some houses. So yeah, this is what it is, PUBG. And guys, again, I don't know how to play this game well. I hardly play this game actually. So yeah, this is actually PUBG, as you can see. So you can also play PUBG on this one. Let me actually try, guys. Now let's just get out of that. Got a gun and stuff. So let's just get out of this game now, and now let's move to another game, that is Asphalt 9. And let's also look at the temperature. It's been almost like 12 minutes since we were gaming. Temperature around this area is about 26, and on this device, as you can see, it's about 38, you could say 37 to, yeah, about 38 degrees Celsius. That you can see around the camera, it's the highest, that's about 38. But again, guys, that's not hot at all for gaming. Anyways, let's just get out of this one, and now let's finally move to Asphalt 9 and see how it plays. And guys, I downloaded all these games directly from the Google Play Store, no side loading or anything like that. Even Asphalt 9 was compatible. So this is Asphalt 9, guys, and as you can see, so smooth, no issues. As you can see, I'm trying the flips also. Then also, as you can see, no drops in frame rates. It's playing it fine. Let's try one more level. So playing another level on this Asphalt 9. Take down, and as you can see, still no lag in graphics or anything like that. As you can see, I'm doing all the stunts, then also no issues. And again, as you can see, no lag whatsoever, very smooth on this Asphalt 9. So again, as you can see, even in Asphalt 9, it played it really well. I had no issues. Let's finally check the temperature. It's been about 16 minutes since we started this gaming session. And again, it went 38.5. So you could say about 39 it might go. In terms of temperature. So again, it's not hot also while gaming. We did gaming almost for about 17 minutes. So as you can see, even in terms of gaming, the gaming performance was actually good, apart from PUBG where the graphics were automatically set to low. But apart from that, it could play very heavy games even like Asphalt 9, Asphalt Extreme, and even Modern Combat without any issues. So even for gaming, this handset is good, and I would recommend the 9,000 rupees variant of this device. I feel that offers the best value for money. For the 11,000 rupees, I feel the Realme 1 might be a better choice compared to this one, because definitely that has slightly better processor. But again, the processor on this one, as you saw, the Snapdragon 450 is not a bad processor, and even for heavy tasks like gaming, it performs actually really well. Also, I'm actually getting pretty good battery life on this handset. So anyways, guys, that's it for now for this quick gaming review with this Realme 2 smartphone. If you have any other specific questions regarding this device, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll try to include them in my future videos. For example, I might post a FAQ video later on. So guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys.